Okay, so we have here another problem about geometry. Find the area of the shaded part. So what is the shaded part? Ito yung pink color. Pink, as in pink talaga siya. Or pink pa yan, or melon. So, meron tayong ditong similar distance. Congruent, ibig sabihin, kasi dito sa kanyang sinasabi. And then dito naman, that is itong side, tas itong side that is perpendicular to each other. So ito yung center ng square. At saka may 5 units dito, and then may 12 units dito. Ibig sabihin, ito yung distance papunta dito, tapos dito naman papunta doon, papunta dito. Yan yung distance. Tapos ito din 5 units papunta dito. So yan yung mga given datus ng ating problem. So, without further ado, solve natin to. Okay. So, in order for us to solve this one, kunin muna natin yung distance nito. Or, let us assume that this would be your L. Yung L yung itong square. Itong square, that is your L. Kasi pares din naman yan, L. So, ibig sabihin, L din dito. Okay, so ibig sabihin from this point up to this point, that is L minus 5. Minus 5 kasi mayroon tayo ditong 5 units. Okay, ito naman that is L minus 12. Okay, yan yung mangyayari sa kanya. And then, okay, so yun yung magiging problem natin, So, ibig sabihin, itong distance na to, meron tayong ditong triangle na mabubuo. Yung triangle na yan, that is, that is, sabihin natin, this would be your A, and ibig sabihin ito din yung A. So, A squared by Pythagorean theorem, that is L minus 5, L minus 12. Actually, naka-squared yan, Actually, sorry. So, this would be squared plus L minus 12 squared. Okay, so ito naman yung kukunin naman natin na susunod. Ito. Pero, ipoproject muna natin to dito. Ipoproject natin para magkaroon tayo ng triangle. Ito yung magiging triangle na natin ngayon. So, ibig sabihin, ito dito, this would be 7 units. Kasi 12 papunta dito, that is 12. And then, minus 5, so 7 units. So, this would be A squared is equal to 7 squared plus itong L. Ito yung L natin. That is L squared. So, ibig sabihin, we can combine this one. That is A squared. So, ibig sabihin, kasi equal yung side na yan plus L minus 12 squared is equal to 7 squared plus L squared. Okay, using your calculator, we can now solve, or we can say that bibigyan ka ng value nito, dalawang value. Yung isa is 4, tapos yung isa is 30. So, kukunin natin yung 30. Kasi imposible yung maging 4 kasi ito 5 units na. 'Di ba? So, yun yung sagot natin. That is 5 units. 30 units, I mean. Yun yung L natin. Okay. Kaya lang is hindi pa tayo tapos kasi yun pa lang yung length na yan. Pero isang malaking hakbang na yan para matuntun natin yung area. Kasi kunin natin itong area nitong square. Kunin natin yan. Pag makuha natin yung area na yan, minus natin itong area. Tapos itong area. Tapos itong area. Ima-minus natin yan. Para yung matitira na lang, ito na yung matitira. So, yun yung isusolve natin ngayon. Okay. So, ngayon, meron na tayong L, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, ito ngayon, L minus 5. So, ibig sabihin, from this point to this point, di ba, L minus 5 yan. So, magiging 25 ito. At saka ito naman, that would be minus 12. So, magiging 18. 18 siya, di ba? Tapos ito, meron tayong ditong 7 units. Ayan na natin 7 units. And then, kasi ito, kailangan nating i-chop-chop eh. I-chop-chopin natin yung triangle. So, dito, from this point, meron tayong ilan to. Kasi, mula dito, that is center, papunta dito, that is 15. Okay, minus 5. Meron tayong 5 dito. So, ibig sabihin, this is 10. 10 units. And then, ito, papunta dito, that would be 15. Diba? That is 15 units. 15 units papunta dyan. And then, ito naman, is dapat alam din natin yan. Okay, so this would also be 10. Kasi papunta dito, that is 15. Half ng L. So ngayon is minus 5, mayroon tayong 10. Okay. So ngayon is isosolve natin itong area 1, area 2, area 3, area 4, and area 5, and area 6. So, yun yung isosolve natin. So, what is area 1? Area 1, that is rectangular. Okay, so area 1, ito lang ano? That is 5 times L. 5 times L. So, yung L mo, that is 30. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang 5 times 30. That is 150 units. Yung area 2 mo naman, ito yung area 2 mo, that is triangle. So, ibig sabihin, that is 1/2 of base. Yung base mo is L, yung height mo is 7. Okay, so, yung magiging sagot mo dyan is 7 times 30 divided by 2. So, that would give you 105. 105. Gumamit na lang kayo ng calculator kasi hindi natin ma-show up dito yung calculator natin. Okay, so next time or next thing to do is itong area 3. Area 3, that is triangle. Area 3 is 1/2 kasi triangle. Base, that is 25 times 18. Okay, so that would give you, ilan yan? 2 to 5. 2 to 5. 2 to 5. And then, area 4. What is area 4? Ito yung area 4 natin, ano? Rectangle. So, that is, area 4 is 5 times 15. Tama ba? 5 times 15, that is 75. 75 units. And then area 5 is, yung area 5 natin is ito, yung area 5. Okay, that is 1/2 of base. Ito lang 10 kasi ito lang yung kukunin natin triangle papuntang taas. That is times 15. Times 15, that is 75. And then area 6, lastly, is 1/2 10 times. Okay, so ito papunta dito, area 6. That is 15. 15 units. So that is 75. So meron tayong total na 705. Area total nitong, ito yung ating zone na yan. So, okay. So, sabi natin, pag nakuha natin itong area nitong square, minus nitong area nitong green, that would give you the result of this shaded part. So, ibig sabihin that the area of the triangle is shaded is equal to 30 times 30 minus 705, and that would give you 195 units. So this would be your answer in solving this geometry. Okay, I hope na may nakuha kayo dito sa ating problem na ito. Thank you and have a nice day.